Hello, Dr. Tracie here, Ambiente Gallerie. Most people know that chiropractors work with the spine, with your back. A lot of people don't know that chiropractors are really doctors of the nervous system, because the only reason we ever mess around with bones is because of what's inside. That's really the only reason. And I think a lot of people, I'm a healthy skeptic, like why should my spine matter that much to me? How does that really affect my health? Fair question? Well, let's think about this logically. Your brain is the one and only organ that literally controls every single function in your body. Am I right? Our kids know this. So that means things like for you to understand the words that I'm saying to you, for your breakfast to digest, even for your body to kill a virus that shouldn't be there. All of that information has to come from here. You don't have Wi-Fi. Has to go through the spinal cord, out the nerves. There's literally no other way for those things to happen. That's why your body very smartly encased this entire system in bone. You've got your skull protecting your squishy brain. You've got all those vertebra in your back that are surrounding and protecting that precious cord, so that you don't damage it when you're moving around. Why you should take care of it? Because it's the hub of communication and control for your entire body. And when we hurt ourselves with accidents, falls, when we hurt ourselves with food that we're eating, that's bad food that we're eating, or chemicals we've been exposed to, or super gobs of stress that we have, that all can interfere with that proper talk from your brain to the rest of your body. So very simply, that's why you should make taking care of your spine a priority. Whether you feel good or don't feel good, make sure you always have a chiropractor in your pit crew. Thanks.